Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. This is part 4 of my cleaning series. We're going to be moving out this mobile home that I had. So first I just want to give you a quick glance at what was going on over in my cutting garden. Things are looking alright. Need some rain. So this is just quickly of what is going on. Okay, you've probably seen in my previous videos, if you follow me, this mobile home in the background. So we have sold it and we are moving it off our property. And I just wanted to show you how this process went. It took about almost 3 hours. They had to go get the wheels. But it didn't move this quickly, but I had to speed up the video because I knew you did not want to sit here and watch this process for 2.5 hours. So the challenge was when it got closer to the road, it couldn't go around the light pole, so they had to take it across the ditch. And so keep watching and I'll show you how that process went. And if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. And if you are a follower of mine, I appreciate you coming back to watch my videos. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. So now I'm going to walk over to the road. Look at all this mess. We'll have to get this all straightened out. And when the workers were unhooking stuff, they found a copperhead snake. So luckily no one got bit and they did kill it. So he was just chilling under the trailer. I call it a trailer. People call it mobile homes. So you can see they're moving it now toward the ditch. And so I'm going up front to show you how to get it across the ditch. Okay. Sorry about the shaking. Okay, it looks like it's moving a little bit. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Finally, an eyesore removed. Okay, so you see they got it halfway across the ditch. So I'm going up there. Okay, so now you can see they got this big truck and they're pulling it. And they didn't pull it this fast, y'all. They only pulled it a little bit at a time. And I'm going to show you there's a guy that's adjusting, I believe, some center blocks underneath the wheel. So at this point, it looks like it's going to tip over. I was afraid it was going to fall apart. But there were some bad spots on the floor, as you can see there, right there, when you come in the door. Okay, I don't know if you can see toward the left. Hold on. Doesn't it look like it's going to tip over? There we go. Okay, you see that guy under there? He's a brave soul. I would not want to be under that thing. But he's adjusting the center blocks. And then they're moving it a little bit at a time. See? And then they have to stop and readjust. And that's what they're doing now. Okay. They're getting there, guys. There we go. And if you haven't already, please watch some other videos in my cleaning series. I will link them below and then at the end screen. Okay. I'm telling you, my camera is not crooked. That's how it was looking on the road. Luckily, I didn't have a real deep and rocky ditch. Just grass. Okay. So they're about done, and the guy's still under there adjusting. Okay. We had a little traffic jam here. The cars were waiting for it to get moved onto the road. Okay, so I got tired of standing, but you can see there it is going down the road. So this is part 4 of my cleaning series. Be sure to check out my other 3 videos on my cleaning series for Around the House with Cheryl. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what you think about this process. I'll see you guys next time. Take care and be safe. Bye.